Say you're watching the news and you hear the news anchor say something about inflation, and you think to yourself, what in the world is inflation? Inflation is the rising of prices over a period of time. In other words, the decrease in the value of money over time. Generally, inflation happens for one of three reasons. Either the supply of money increases, the demand for goods increases, or production costs increase. Let's consider the case where the supply of money increases. This can happen when something bad happens, and the government, just to make sure the economy doesn't get spooked, gives a lot of money to a whole lot of people, thus increasing the amount of money flowing in the economy. Now, some folks may be tempted to think, yo, it's free money. Well, it's actually more like free little money, because the value of your dollar is going to decrease. When people have more money, they spend it on goods and services. This is by design, keeps the economy going. But since more people have money to spend than before, demand goes up, supply goes down, and prices go up, which means your dollar doesn't go as far. In these next two examples, we'll see that inflation can apply to the cost of individual goods as well. Inflation can also happen when the demand for goods increases. Let's talk about these EVs that are really blowing up, and by that I mean they're becoming popular. That means demand's going to go up, supply is going to go down, and prices will go up, which means you have inflation in the price of EVs. Finally, inflation happens when production costs increase. Let's go back to those EVs. They require batteries, and if those batteries become more expensive to make, that means production costs are going to go up, prices go up, and that's inflation.